Also in Maryland, at the Aberdeen Proving Ground, new Army vehicles are undergoing intensive tests over an obstacle course of high curves, steep depressions, rough dirt roads, barely visible trails, and mud, unimproved by human engineering. This 5-ton general-purpose cargo and personnel truck is designed to operate over inland waterways as well, without special preparations. A wide variety of wheel and tracked vehicles is continually being subjected to endurance tests in order to determine if they meet the high performance standards required of Army transport. Water is no barrier to a vehicle equipped with inflatable rubber seals and air pressurized components. Nor does axle-deep soft mud stop these 6 wheels from their forward drive on the Aberdeen test course. Man-made staggered bumps impose stress on suspension and steering parts in this torture test. Field-proofing of vehicles designed to deliver combat troops and their heavy equipment to virtually any battle zone in the world.